This food can help protect your DNA and support your body's natural defenses. What you need to know. Have you ever wondered, what if one simple food could help your body defend itself every single day? What if the battle against aging, inflammation, damaged cells, and even diseases like cancer starts much earlier than most people realize? Here's something that may surprise you. Your body is fighting millions of battles every second. Not every day, not every hour, every single second deep inside your body. Your heart is pumping blood. Your arteries are delivering precious oxygen. Your brain is sending signals through your nerves. Your muscles are creating energy. And inside nearly every one of your cells, your DNA is working like an instruction manual for life. But here's the shocking part. That instruction manual is under attack. Every day, from inflammation, from excess sugar, from pollution, from smoking, from poor sleep, from chronic stress, from unhealthy eating habits. And yes, even from some of the foods many people eat every day, most people never feel this damage happening. There is no alarm, no flashing warning light, no pain, yet over time, these tiny injuries can build up. Your body becomes tired, your energy drops, your metabolism slows, your FAT becomes harder to lose. Your cells don't function as efficiently, and your body's natural repair systems have to work much harder. Here's the good news. Your body is incredibly intelligent. Every day it is constantly trying to repair itself. It is constantly replacing damaged cells, constantly protecting your DNA, constantly cleaning away old, damaged cells, constantly defending you from threats. That's one of the greatest miracles of human biology. But here's the secret. Your body cannot do it alone. It needs the right nutrients, the right lifestyle, the right habits, and the right foods. Today, I'm going to show you one remarkable food that researchers have studied for its ability to support healthy cells, help your body's natural defense systems, and promote overall wellness. This isn't magic. It isn't a miracle cure. It's science. Because the foods you eat don't just fill your stomach. They send messages to your cells. They influence your metabolism. They affect your immune system. They help regulate insulin. They can influence inflammation. They help support healthy circulation. They nourish your brain. They fuel your heart. They even influence how your genes behave. Think about that. Every meal is information. Every bite is a message. The question is, what message are you sending your body? Are you feeding disease? Or are you feeding health? Most people believe disease simply appears one day, but that's rarely how it happens. It develops slowly. One unhealthy habit, one poor meal, one sleepless night, one stressful week, again and again, until your body struggles to keep up. That's why prevention matters. Small choices, repeated every day, can completely change your future. Unfortunately, most people make one huge mistake. They wait until they feel tired, until they gain weight, until their blood sugar rises, until their doctor finds something wrong, until they hear the word nobody wants to hear. Imagine if you could start supporting your body before problems appear. That's exactly what modern nutritional science is exploring. Not curing disease overnight, but helping your body's own defense systems work at their best. Your immune system, your metabolism, your circulation, your cells, your DNA. Scientists have discovered that certain natural compounds found in foods can help protect cells from oxidative stress, support normal DNA maintenance, and promote healthy cellular function. These compounds work quietly. You don't feel them. You don't taste them. But inside your body, amazing things may be happening. Your body begins reducing unnecessary inflammation. Healthy cells receive nutrients. Blood vessels function more efficiently. Your circulation improves. Oxygen reaches tissues more effectively. Your body becomes better equipped to maintain balance. That's why one simple food can be far more powerful than people imagine. Not because it's rage in, but because it works with your body's own natural systems. And here's something almost nobody talks about. Cancer doesn't develop because of one meal. Health doesn't come from one meal either. It's what you do consistently that matters. Your breakfast, your lunch, your dinner, your snacks, your sleep, your exercise, your stress, your everyday habits. These small choices add up over months and years. The exciting news is that every healthy choice gives your body another opportunity to protect itself. So today, I want to introduce you to a food that has captured the attention of scientists around the world. A food rich in natural compounds that may help support DNA health, reduce inflammation, nourish your gut microbiome, and strengthen your body's own protective systems. But before I reveal what it is, you first need to understand something incredibly important. How does DNA become damaged in the first place? What is oxidative stress? Why is inflammation such a powerful driver of aging? And why do certain foods help while others make the problem worse? Because once you understand this, you'll never look at your plate the same way again. Let's dive into the fascinating science inside your body. Now comes the question everyone asks. Doctor, what's the best way to eat broccoli? The answer isn't complicated, and that's the good news. You don't need expensive powders. You don't need miracle supplements. You don't need extreme diets. You simply need to prepare it the right way and make it part of a healthy lifestyle. Let's start with the biggest mistake. Many people boil broccoli until it becomes soft, dull, and mushy. Unfortunately, prolonged cooking can reduce some heat-sensitive nutrients and may lower the tin formation of sulforaphane because the plant enzyme involved in producing it is sensitive to high heat. So what's a better option? Lightly steam it. Just a few minutes, enough to make it tender, but still bright green, still fresh, still delicious. Steaming helps preserve many nutrients while keeping a pleasant texture. Another great option? Eat some broccoli raw. Fresh broccoli contains the natural enzyme called myrosinase, which helps convert compounds in broccoli into sulforaphane when the vegetable is chopped or chewed. Now here's an interesting science tip. If you cook broccoli thoroughly, try adding a little raw mustard, radish, arugula, or other raw cruciferous vegetables afterward. These foods naturally contain myrosinase and may help support sulforaphane formation. It's a simple kitchen trick backed by scientific research. Now let's answer another common question. How often should you eat it? There isn't one magic number, but many nutrition experts recommend eating cruciferous vegetables several times each week as part of a varied diet. Remember, health isn't built in one meal. It's built over hundreds of meals. Consistency beats perfection. Every time. Now let's talk about something equally important. Because broccoli alone isn't enough. Think of your health like an orchestra. Every instrument matters. If only one instrument plays, you don't get beautiful music. Your body works the same way. To support healthy cells and reduce unnecessary inflammation, combine broccoli with other nourishing foods, colorful berries, leafy greens, beans, lentils, whole grains, nuts, seeds, extra virgin olive oil, fatty fish if you eat seafood. These foods provide different vitamins, minerals, fiber, and plant compounds that work together. Nature never puts all the benefits into one food. It spreads them across many foods. That's why variety matters. Now let's talk about sugar. This may be the hardest habit to change. Added sugars are everywhere. Soft drinks, candy, sweetened cereals, desserts, sugary coffee drinks, processed snacks. Too much added sugar can contribute to excess calorie intake, making it harder to maintain a healthy weight and stable blood sugar over time. Instead, choose whole foods more often. Drink water. Eat fruit when you want something sweet. Let your taste buds adjust. Your body will thank you. Next, move your body. You don't need to become a marathon runner. A brisk walk, cycling, swimming, strength training, even gardening. Regular movement improves circulation, helps your heart, supports your muscles, improves insulin sensitivity, boosts energy, and helps your body function the way it was designed to. Now let's talk about sleep. Many people underestimate it. While you sleep, your body is hard at work. Hormones rebalance. The brain clears waste products. Tissues recover. The immune system resets. Your body carries out important maintenance processes that support overall health. Sleep isn't wasted time. It's investment time. Aim for consistent, high-quality sleep whenever possible. Now let's talk about stress. Chronic stress doesn't just affect your mood. It can influence your sleep, eating habits, and overall well-being. Find healthy ways to manage it. Spend time outdoors. Talk with family. Practice deep breathing. Pray or meditate if that's meaningful to you. Read, laugh, protect your peace. Your body notices. Now here's the message I want you to remember. Your body wants to survive. It wants to heal. It wants to adapt. Every second, your cells are working. Your immune system is working, your heart is beating, your brain is thinking, your blood is flowing. Your body is constantly trying to protect you. The question is, are you helping your body or making its job harder? Every meal is a choice. Every habit matters. Every day is another opportunity. Don't wait until your doctor tells you something is wrong. Start today, not because you're afraid, but because your future self deserves it. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. One healthy breakfast, one healthy lunch, one healthy dinner, one walk, one good night's sleep, one better choice. Repeated again and again. That's how healthier lives are built. Not with shortcuts, not with miracles, but with simple habits supported by science. If there's one takeaway from today's video, let it be this. Food is powerful, but it's most powerful as part of an overall healthy lifestyle. Nutritious foods can help support your body's natural defenses, healthy cells, and long-term wellness, but they don't replace medical care or guarantee the prevention or treatment of diseases like cancer. Take care of your body today, and your body will take care of you tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest science-based health insights. Share this video with someone you love, because one simple piece of knowledge could inspire a healthier habit, and that healthier habit could make a real difference over time. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.